Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Monday, June 24th, and this is the recap video. Let's just dive in. So today, we pulled back again. I think this is now the third red day the market has had for the first time in like 2 months. So definitely seeing a little bit of correction on the daily chart for the market. Usually I don't do too well trading that type of price action, but didn't do terrible today. Definitely could have done better. On the stream account, $187 in profit. It's really, thankfully I was scalping because overall my trades were wrong, but being that I was scalping, it still was able to take profit before the big move against me happened. So I guess that's a good thing. I don't know. But I entered, basically we had a big move higher. We pulled back, waited till we pulled back to the EMA, to the VWAP here. And then I took this long right here and thankfully got filled. And then we just kept pulling back, made new lows. And then I started to kind of trade the bottom of this channel and took kind of a small scalp here for a win. And that was it. That was it for the streaming accounts. But we really did just continue to slowly pull back and kind of had a little bit of a pump higher. And then at the close, we just sold off again. So usually I don't do that great with that kind of price action. And definitely toward the end of the day today, let me just show the other accounts. So I feel pretty good about how the trading went today. On my other accounts, it could have been a lot worse. Thankfully, so these three accounts, which are these three 50K accounts, I'm being pretty aggressive with these three. I have a nice buffer on them. Obviously, I still need to trade them for, I think, 6 or 7 more days. So I'm going to be pretty aggressive. Try to build a nice buffer, and if we can build a $4,000 or $5,000 buffer, then technically that's the same size account as a 150K account is. So, and we can get another payout. So I'm going to just be aggressive on them. I'm going to protect my payout, but I would really like to have another nice green day because then I really could protect my payout and at the same time allow myself some wiggle room on my trades and maybe size up a little bit. I'm trading with 2 minis on these 3 accounts right now. These 3 didn't even trade them today. This account here I didn't trade today. Didn't trade this account. Basically, I'm just leaving these accounts until we have a really nice uptrending day where I feel really confident. And then we might go a little bigger size to try to save those accounts. This account only has $1,000 in drawdown left, and this account only has $680 in drawdown. This account as well. So, it's going to be a battle to get those accounts back, but we're going to try it, wait for the right opportunity and take it. Now this account here, it is what it is. $900 loss. That was my last trade of the day. And I got trapped right here. I caught some of this move higher, and we came back, tested the EMA here, went long, had my stop below this, which was a little bit bigger stop than I thought it was, to be honest. These big moves are kind of deceptive. You think that the moves aren't that much, but because it's such a big move lower, it kind of plays a little trickery on me anyway. And I ended up taking a $940 loss, and it is what it is. We just got to accept it. I was very, very thankful I took the loss because I took my loss around the 810s, and we obviously kept just dumping. So I'm pretty happy I took the loss. End of the day right there, and overall still ended the day green, and making good progress on these 250K accounts, but trying not to even pay attention right now on those 250Ks. because it's going to take a while. It is going to take a while to get those accounts to pay out. It just is. So I'm trying to just not even worry about where my P&L is and how close. Once we get $400 or $500 away from the profit target, from the profit threshold, then I'll start worrying about it. Until then, I'm just going to trade these accounts. And I am trading 1 to 2. I think I have traded 3 minis on these 250K accounts. But yeah, 1 to 3 contracts is kind of where I'm at on those accounts. So anyway, that pretty much sums up my day. And also, just FYI, Wednesday or Thursday, we are leaving out of state to visit family. So I will not be streaming Thursday and Friday of this week. And I'm not sure yet on next week. I think I'm going to be able to stream Monday, Tuesday. But the July 4th week, we have something planned. And not sure yet. My streaming schedule is going to be a little hectic. And my trading schedule is going to be kind of crazy. So I'm not quite sure what it's going to look like, but I'll keep you guys informed. And if I do trade, I'll try to always do at least a snapshot of my P&L and update at the end of every day, if at all possible. But that's kind of, July is looking like a pretty crazy month. And we have quite a bit of family events scheduled, and then we have some family camping scheduled. So it's going to be a little crazy. And maybe I also thought about just taking a couple of weeks off, not trade at all. And, you know, during the summertime months, sometimes it's good to just take a couple of weeks off, but we'll see. Right now, I feel like I'm not trading terrible, so I kind of want to keep going. But we'll see. We'll just play it by ear and let you guys know. Thanks again for all the support. I really do appreciate it. And we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. Take care. Have a great evening, and God bless.